Hi, this is Mahima, and I'm going to be talking about the precautions needed for coronavirus. But before that, let us know what exactly is coronavirus and what does it do. In layman terms, coronavirus are the family of viruses that can cause illnesses ranging from common cold to severe respiratory symptoms, along with fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In severe cases, it can lead to pneumonia, kidney failure, and even death. 5th of July, India surpassed Russia as the third worst hit country in the world by COVID-19 after its case tally crossed 6.9 lakh on Sunday. We really don't know how the virus is going to play out. Will the vaccine be successful? The only thing right now we can do is just wait. And while we are waiting, the best thing we can do is to upgrade ourselves. By upgrading ourselves, I mean to be physically, mentally, emotionally, and energetically better. All this will be most vital when you have to step out and face the situation that we have not yet figured out. The precautions or the standard recommendations to prevent the spread of this infection include: wash your hands regularly for good about 20 seconds. Practice social distancing. Avoid going to crowded places. Wear a mask in case you have to step out. If at all you have to step out, maintain at least 1 arm's distance from the other people around. Download Arogya Setu app and stay updated. By following these precautions, we can make a difference. We all are in this together and we will get through this together. So let us be informed, be smart, be prepared, and be safe. All this will be most vital when you have to step out and face the situation that we have not yet figured out. Let us not assume what is going to happen. How many of us will be wiped out? How many of us will stay? How many businesses will be gone? What is relevant? What is irrelevant? By using our imagination, we are only creating fear. Instead, let us invest upon ourselves by making ourselves more competent, more balanced, and better human beings. Because this is the right approach to face any unknown situation. Thank you.